So it's Earth Day. How can you help make better environmental decisions as it relates to your roof? I talk to building owners all the time, and they're frustrated because they simply don't know what to do. They're worried that they're not meeting their corporate environmental or sustainability goals. And they're concerned that there may be recycling options out there that they don't know anything about. So let's look at the top 10 things you can do with your roof to make better decisions today. Number one, if that roof must be replaced, recycle the existing roof if possible. Don't send it to a landfill. Number two, perform regular roof moisture surveys and identify small problems before they become big so you can salvage the old roof and keep it performing rather than having to replace it in a few years. Number three, if you must put on a new roof, install a leak detection system so that when the first smallest problem occurs, it's identified immediately, can be repaired, and that roof can continue to perform well into the future. Number four, coating restoration. There's many excellent coating products available today that if a roof is properly maintained, there's really no reason why the membrane may not last 50 to 100 years if it's properly maintained. Coating restoration is a solution there. Number five, using a vented roof system. Number six, using recycled materials. There are lots of membranes available today that utilize recycled material. Number seven, white roofs. In a lot of parts of the country, due to the urban heat island effect, white roofs are required by code. It's something to look at. Number eight, daylighting, one of the fastest paybacks in the industry. You get natural light in the building, your employees are healthier, and you save on electricity during the peak demand hours. Makes a lot of sense. Number nine, green roofs. It helps with the urban heat island effect and also helps cities that have stormwater runoff issues by slowing the rate of flow into the stormwater system. And number 10, solar. Let's harness the sun and reduce the demand on the grid. Everybody can do something from that list and have a tremendous impact on the overall environment. Utilizing parts of this list can help you make better sustainability, environmental, and recycling decisions. At the end of the day, how will history judge us? If any of this resonates with you and you'd like to know more about good environmental and sustainability options for your company, let me know. My contact information is in this post. And as always, don't forget to follow me at #RolfTheRoofingGuy at LinkedIn, YouTube, and Rumble.